Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. Hey, I'm working on my compactor. This will be video 4 of the build. Um, I worked on tonight was getting the blade to function. I had to cut some of the original mounting stuff off to run an linear actuator. Made my own brackets, milled them on the end mill tonight, and you'll have to check it out and see what you think. The linear actuator, I used an Octronic linear actuator, PQ12. PQ12, 100 to 1, 6R. And I'll probably, when I put this on the receiver and put it on a channel, I'll put it on a dial so that I can raise and lower it. But either that or I'll use one of the joysticks to do so. I'll figure it out when I get there. But it just slightly lifts the front end up just a little bit. And that's good because I don't really want it to, it's more for leveling, not for, I just got it hooked up to my GT Power servo tester. But yeah, I just took some 3/4 by 1/4 aluminum and then machined it out to fit the shape because I'd taken and cut all that out. I had to widen the hole in here just slightly to fit this linear actuator. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these linear actuators. They got a big box on the back side. So this kind of hides that big box on the back side. And then I kind of made a little clevis to fasten to the end of the cylinder because it wasn't quite long enough to do what I wanted to do, but it's got plenty of stroke to do what I need it to do. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Then I drilled 3 holes on each side and counterbored them so that the Allen headed screws that I used are flush with the bracket. So basically what I got to do now is basically tear it all back apart completely and paint the pieces that I want to paint. I'll get some, I think it's John Deere yellow, industrial yellow prior to 92 that matches the Bruder yellow pretty good. And I'll paint the rims and the hubs, and I don't know if I'll paint the axle because you can't really see it anyway. I hate to take all the bearings out and repaint them, but we'll see. One of the things I do have to do yet is actually I'm going to take this all apart, pull this apart because I know there's a top and bottom, and then get it so that I can run the wires through the inside. I'm going to try and run the wires through the inside. Same way with these. I'm going to try and run them through the inside of the frame and then come out the back side, maybe a hole back here. I'm pretty sure I won't know how hollow this is or how much room I have inside that. I've never taken one of those apart yet. I'm probably going to regret having to do it, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'll get these painted yellow to kind of match the frame of the machine. Other than that, I'm getting about close to being done because the cab is all wired. Other than some final bolting, and I'm gonna put some taillights in the back side of it, which that won't take long, but it's getting about to the point where it's almost done. I'm getting really close to the conclusion on it, and to be honest with you, I need to quit working on it and start getting the trailer all loaded up and getting ready for the show next week in Dubuque, Iowa. So I was hoping to maybe get this done before then and take it along. I might yet. We'll see how it goes, depending on how the weather cooperates and whatnot. We haven't had much rain around here, so I have rain days to worry about. But yeah, this is the last thing I should be worrying about before a big show. But I might get some paint and paint some stuff and then work on some other stuff in the meantime. But all the paint's drying. But anyway, catch you guys later.